Hey, it's Locksmith there. Okay, so big issue on these vans. I seen guys try long reaching these using a long reach tool, but I'm gonna show you multiple ways of doing these. We're gonna use this side of this tool, 90 degree, and you notice come back almost 12 inches. Then when you drop it down, you can drop it backwards. I like facing forward no matter what vehicle I'm doing. And when you come down, you'll want to rotate it. I'll actually have video of the inside of the tool going down. And when you come down, like I said, you'll notice the workings on the vehicles after you've done it for X amount of time. And there you go. So don't long reach these. They're a pain, and also just looks unprofessional the way the doors curve around. But hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there.